Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 8/1/2023 and the time is 7:30. Nifty has taken support at the solar eclipse high, and Bank Nifty is taking support at lunar eclipse high. So that's how astrology works, because last 4-5 months where when I was doing my intro session for my paid webinar, I used to talk about this date very specifically, that solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse will do wonders, and Nifty is taking support only at that number. Break below the solar eclipse low or Bank Nifty break below the lunar eclipse low, you will see minimum 350 points to 400 points in Nifty, and bare minimum 750 to 1000 points in Bank Nifty. Let's go and talk all that, then we will come to the numbers. I'm not going to add too many time cycles into it. A simple time cycle which we talked about the last 5 months, from October itself. Before that itself, I was talking about this date, 25th October, after the Diwali day. And let's go and see all that. Okay, so now if you go to Nifty, okay, so this is weekly. First of all, Nifty Bank, as I already told you in the month of August, that the last week of December is a very crucial point for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty based on the Jupiter cycle. So this high and low is the key. This high and low weekly is the key. So close above 43,498, it is bullish. Close below 41,569, it is bearish. But this is a big candle, but you need to, because it's a weekly candle, you need to go with it, because this week is, if you go to last 2-3 weeks before my video, I've talked about this week, why this week is so special, why this week is so special, and the video is already I've put it in LinkedIn as well as in my Twitter. Okay, so why this week is so special? So Bank Nifty is trading within this high and low, and weekly I cannot call this as a inside bar pattern, but Nifty has given a pakka inside bar pattern in weekly. So beautiful inside bar pattern on a weekly, and this candle is the time cycle candle. So 26th December to 30th December, the last week of 2022. So break above this is bullish, break below this is bearish. So this is the weekly perspective. I'm not going to talk about anything on the graph, because we discussed so many things on Nifty and Bank Nifty in our webinar in the morning, by combining Ichimoku, Pitchfork, so many things. So I'm not going to talk about anything on the chart. I'm talking about only time cycle. So now let's come to Nifty. So Nifty, the important date was this solar eclipse day date, which is 25th October. After the Diwali day. So the high and low is very crucial. See, if you go to any technical analysis, they will say this year it is a resistance and this is the support. No, actually time decides everything, and the time creates the dynamic support and resistance on its own. So you cannot predict this is the candle which is going to decide, but based on the astrology, which is the solar eclipse on that day, that knows what to do, that knows what to do. So the exactly last time when it came down, exactly took the support of the solar eclipse high, went up again, came down yesterday, it took the support exactly at the solar eclipse high, and more or less it is at the 50% rule from the top. If you connect this in the Fibonacci level, so if you connect somewhere here to this level, so this comes to roughly around 50% rule, which is 17,819 or something like that. So more or less that number. So it is a 50% rule plus the solar eclipse date high and low. So that is why Nifty is taking support. And yesterday, on Friday, Dow Jones went up and all that is happened. Just a minute, sorry. All that is happened. So people are expecting a gap up tomorrow morning, but I'm telling you very clearly, let the first 15 minutes, let it stabilize, then you can take a call. If it breaks the 15 minutes low again it will fall. So that is what I told my customers, my members today in the webinar. So wait for the first 15 minutes candle, no need to do a lot of hanky panky in the first 15 minutes trade. And again tomorrow, already it was a moon day, so tomorrow again one more astro day is happening. So let's see how the market is going to plan out. So as of now, it is taking support. Nifty is taking support exactly at the solar eclipse, and Bank Nifty is taking exactly the support at the lunar eclipse, high and low. So the lunar eclipse happened on 8th November. 8th was holiday, so we need to take the next day, or you can take even the previous day also. But normally I take the next day. So that is where it is taking support. That is where it is taking support. And even if you see here, if you mark this high and and this high exactly it is taking support there only, where the breakout has happened, where it was a resistance previously, then the breakout has happened, and the breakout exactly happened on the lunar eclipse day. So that is how we say that, it may be a resistance here on 21st, on 25th October, and again this day, 15th September, which was the miracle day for Bank Nifty for its life. Okay, and it broken exactly on the lunar eclipse day for Bank Nifty, and it is taking the support exactly there. So that is how time makes the crucial point. Time makes the crucial point. So break below this level, when this is the solar eclipse day high and low. So it has to hold this low, Bank Nifty. So this is the low of solar eclipse day, roughly around 41,021 level. And this is the high of solar eclipse day. This is the high of solar eclipse day. So I'll mark it in blue color. So which is 41,531. So this is how Bank Nifty is going to play out. Close below this level, possibility that it may even go to even 40,760 level, which is the 50% rule for Bank Nifty from the bottom to the top. So you can have a watch. So till it holds, Bank Nifty holds lunar eclipse low, and Nifty holds solar eclipse low. Nothing to worry about it. Then use all your technical analysis, blah 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 blah. But one technical analysis which I really like is because if I take out the Fibonacci and all that, if I go to Ichimoku, it took the exact support on the low. And this is what we discussed today in detail. It took the exact support at the Senkubi, which was the low of the Ichimoku. So till it owes the low of this, cloud, Senkubi, you don't need to worry about Nifty as of now. But back below this, be very, very cautious in the Nifty. Very cautious in the Nifty. And the second important trend change date is going to happen on 13th January, which I already mentioned. Why this 13th January is so important? Because more than 4 combinations of time cycle is happening on the particular day, plus one astro aspect. So 13th January is a very, very crucial day. We are planning to have a live webinar, trading webinar on that day. So 13th January, watch out. And again, I've already mentioned that 29th January will be the D-day for Nifty, for at least 15% rally on the upside or 15% rally on the downside, more or less. The past pattern is showing it is going to be a downside move from 29th January. It is nothing to do with the budget, because I've told today in my webinar why this 29th January is so crucial for the entire year, not only for 2023. Go back and do your back testing and see what happened on 29th January. Believe me, you will be amazed. Don't ask me why it is happening that. There is a reason it is happening. So that is why 29th January is the mega day for the year for 2023 for Nifty, not Bank Nifty, Nifty. So if Nifty falls, obviously Bank Nifty also falls. If Nifty rise, Bank Nifty also rise, because Bank Nifty is already done this year more than 20%, last year more than 20%, and Nifty has not done even a 4% move. So these 2 dates are very, very crucial in the coming month, which I already mentioned in my opening of the January itself in my webinar. But again, I am reiterating because we are going to encounter 13th January this week, which is a very, very crucial day. So now again, apart from that, I want to talk about Nifty IT. So Nifty IT made an important mega cycle is ended yesterday. That is on Friday, which is 6th January 2023. So mark the high and low of 6th January, because this is going to play a major role for Nifty IT. Okay, based on astrology. This is a very, very crucial date for Nifty IT. And apart from that, the next date was 27th December 2022. So close about 27th December 2022, it's going to be a maybe a big rally in the Nifty IT. So kindly have a watch. But yesterday on Friday, the mega cycle for Nifty IT based on the Astro is happened, and that is a crucial date. So this is actually the angle which I thought to people, this is nothing to do with the trend line, but it actually gets the support exactly based on the angle which is already happened in the past. So if you see the angle from here, it says 133 angle is going to work phenomenally well for Nifty IT, and it is exactly happened here, and where Nifty, Nifty IT took the close exactly at the angle. So from this angle, it is 17th degree, 17 degree angle, and it is somewhere here, which is completely merging with the 27th, December date. So two angles are merging with the time cycle. So Nifty IT is going to do something bigger in the coming days to come. And apart from all this, if you go to fortune signals, if you go to Nifty CNX IT in one day, it has given a sell. It has given a sell. So if this sell candle low is held, according to me, bottom is done. According to me, bottom is done. But break below, you need to be very cautious on Nifty IT. But I'm not telling you to get, take a bigger bet in, IT and all that. We already discussed what are the stocks we can bet on right now in Nifty IT in our webinar today. But what I am saying is, in case if you are taking a longer term view, kindly get into Nifty ITBs. Nifty ITBs, Nippon India is there, which is available at 29 or 30 rupees. So you can take a bet on it, start, venturing into it. According to me, it is a level which you can enter at least 30% to 40% now. Remaining 60%, maybe once it gives the breakout on the upper side, we can have. Otherwise, we will try to do something on in case if it comes downside also, we'll try to add it up. So this day is a crucial day for CNX IT. So kindly have a watch, because time cycle is exactly happening on that day. Plus Nifty IT, it has given a sell on fortune signals. So if it holds this low, it is enough for it to go above, because it is already given a genuine buy here. So most probably it will try to hold. I am not talking about what happened in Dow Jones. That is what this new, that is our postmortem, which I don't want to talk. Okay. So based on the important time cycle which is ended yesterday, the new beginning for Nifty IT is starting from tomorrow, which will stay for another 370 days. To be precise, it is 369.8 days. So which is going to stay there for the next at least 1 year and 4 days extra. So watch out for Nifty IT. Okay, so in this Nifty IT, many counters which we talked, and one counter which is at the bottom. See, if you go to Infosys, it has given a sell. So till it holds yesterday's low, you can simply buy Infosys with a very small stop loss. And TCS is at the bottom. So we discussed many stocks today, and we discussed all the indices today. So this is TCS, and it is exactly at the support. So watch out for TCS also. That's all. Now let's move to the numbers. So that is what we need now. So now, as I already told you, 13th January and 14th January, but 13th January is very crucial. Until and unless we are below fifth low, it is bearish only. And here, below fifth low, Bank Nifty is bearish only. So coming to numbers, Nifty and Bank Nifty closed below the expiry game changer number for the entire Jan and monthly game changer number for the entire Jan. So it is closed below the bearish numbers. So now it has to come back and close at least above the bearish number. And all these numbers will act as a resistance tomorrow in case if the market opens gap up. And it has to go above this number to say it is bullish. So again, coming to this weekly expiry, it is close to below this number. So these numbers will act as a resistance for this running expiry. And tomorrow morning, I will give the number for the coming week from Monday to Friday. So use that number and use it for the entire week from Monday to Friday. And today I have explained which number you need to take and which you want to do trade and all that today. The webinar went more than 3 hours today. So now coming to the numbers, all the numbers I've already here, because I'm already telling that 17,777 is a very important number. Last week, that was the exact number which I said Nifty will make a bottom. That was the exact number. Even yesterday also, that was the exact number. So now Nifty and Bank Nifty, first it has closed to below 29th December low, which was the very important Mercury effect. So it is bearish, number one. Second, it is close to below the 5th Jan low. It is again bearish. And again, 11th January, I'm telling you right away, 11th January, 9:15 to 11:15, 2 hour candle in Bank Nifty. and 9:15 to 10:15 candle in Nifty will give a magical move from there on. If it trades above that level, above that candle high, it is bullish. Below that candle low, it is bearish. And this 11th Jan candle, which I'm talking now, is going to set the tune for 13th Jan. It's going to set the tune for 13th Jan, which is the miracle day. So kindly have a watch and mark this 11th date, which is coming on Wednesday. Okay, and 13th Jan will be the crucial day for metal index. And I've explained today very clearly why 13th Jan and what happened on October 30th and how why metals moved after October 30th, and the cycle is ending on 13th Jan. And if you go to metals, and most probably, even gold, I showed today why gold has to move from 30th October till today. That is based on the Astro effect, and that is where gold as well as the Nifty metals made the exact bottom. It is nothing but an Astro effect of Mars. So that is what I explained today in my in my webinar. And again, I'm telling 13th is the day for Nifty metals. Watch out. I'm extremely bullish on metals. We are holding positions in Tata Steel, SAIL we are holding. We are extremely bullish on metals for this year. As I already told in my last webinar also, in my video also, that I'm expecting minimum 150 to 200 level in Tata Steel for this year, 2023. My stop loss is roughly around 96 level. So keep your stop loss ready. Okay. So now again, Nifty IT, Uranus effect, which I already showed you. So initiate a buy above the Friday high. Stop loss Friday low on a closing basis. So it is nothing but the Uranus effect in Nifty IT. Okay, so this is the timing for Monday. So kindly use this timing for Monday. And coming to Asian Motor, I've already talked about 2nd Jan was the important higher low, important time cycle for Asian Motor. So mark the higher low of 2nd Jan. It closed above the 2nd Jan high. So we are long in that counter. So kindly have a watch. So all this we already explained everything, and let's go to the numbers. All the numbers are bearish, and 18,049 to 18,079. All these three numbers are within 24 rupees difference. So all these numbers will act as a resistance, and this is the Nifty spot numbers for the coming week. So I've already told today in my webinar how to trade this number, what is the stop loss, everything was given here. So use this number for this coming week. And Bank Nifty, all the numbers are bearish. This number 43,135 will play a major role in case if the market goes high, but this is too far from the way where Bank Nifty closed, Bank Nifty futures closed. So this is Bank Nifty spot numbers. So kindly use it. And stop loss is 144 for the buy or the sell. Kindly read it fully what I mentioned here. And coming to important dates for stock. 7th January was holiday, so it is GSPL, Indian Hotel, SAIL, and Tata Steel. Today we talked about SAIL and Tata Steel much in our webinar. So tomorrow is the important day because 7th was holiday, so we need to take the next trading day, which is 9. So mark the SAIL and Tata Steel. First 15 minutes high and low will do the magic in case if you are doing intraday. If not, kindly wait for the entire day. Mark the high and low of Tata Steel for 9 and take the position accordingly. Whenever it goes as higher above 9th high, simply buy with the stop loss of 9th low. That's all. Okay. So again, these four companies plus you have IDFC, BHEL, Exide, on 9th, Navin Floor, Coromandel, Power Grid, in copper also again metal counter, and Indian Bank, Tata Chemicals. So till up to this, you have time cycle date for stocks for tomorrow. And one thing I'm telling you now, I've showed you what are the companies which is coming under yearly trend change date. So whatever I mentioned in this in yellow color, all are yearly dates. So now this is again another 15 companies, here again 15 companies, here again more than 12, 15 companies, again here also all the 15 companies. So as of now, I covered more than 60 companies. I'll be adding another 15, which is till January 31st. All are having the yearly date for 2023. So again, I'm telling. So for example, if it is HCL Tech, you can simply buy above when it closes above 1040.5. Stop loss is 1034, and you can write this number for the whole year. because this is an yearly date. This is an yearly date, and for HCL take 10 rupees stop loss is nothing. But definitely, I'm telling you, you can take a bet on this counter with 10 rupees stop loss, and you can run the show till 2023 end, because this date is valid for the entire 2023. Okay, all the yellow color dates are valid till end of 2023. So use it to the maximum. Don't ask me. I'm not giving any stock. I've already covered more than 60 for 2023. Okay, additional I will be adding more, but I'm not telling you to trade all this. Take the counters which are your favorite counters and try to do trade only within that. You cannot trade more than 60 counters. Take at least 2-3 counters which is favorite to you, which has already given you money in the past. That is your favorite according to me. So take the stocks. It should be a volatile one, because only if it is volatile you are going to make money. Otherwise you are not going to make money. So take the best stocks, and I have already given the high and low of that particular date. Even if it hits the stop loss once or twice, not a problem. But when it gives money, it's going to give you phenomenal RR. Phenomenal RR. It may be even giving you 1:10, 1:20, even 1:30. Okay, so watch out for this. If it goes below, it's a clear sell. If it goes above, it's a clear buy. For example, if it is Tata Power, a simple 3 rupees stop loss. Simple 3 rupees stop loss. Buy about 2013. Whenever it closed about 2013, wait for it to come and touch again 2013. Initiate the buy on 2013. The stop loss should be 210, or any candle below the 210 candle which closed before. You can keep that as a stop loss. Maybe if you want, I'll go to Tata Power and I will show you how to trade this Tata Power, because it's a very small stop loss. Definitely you can take a bet on Tata Power. So for example, now this is Tata Power. On daily it is actually bearish, and the date was this one. I have not now updated that. So this was the date. So 213, 210, it closed below 210. So you should not buy. You should not buy. You can at least sell at 210, stop loss 230, and it is already trading at 205. It is already trading at 205. So anything on the buy side, you need to initiate a buy about 213, stop loss 210 after it closes about 213. Because I have not updated the latest price. This is not the closing price of Friday. So I'll be doing that, and I'll send it to my customers. But if you take the high and low, the high and low is here for the stock. The high and low is here for the stock. So kindly use it. So that's all. Nothing more to add. We will try to buy. Actually, we made a decision to buy yesterday Bank Nifty. When it gives a 1 minute buy also, because according to me the bottom is done. I never expected that Dow Jones is going to give 700 point upside rally or whatever, but we decided that we will buy Bank Nifty on 1 minute time frame if it gives a buy for positional basis, but we didn't buy. We took the decision, but we didn't buy. Okay, so if you go to Bank Nifty on 1 minute time frame, it has given a buy yesterday, but we missed to take a call. We missed to take the call. Exactly, it went, gave the genuine buy, came and touched the blue exactly here. Actually, we thought of buying it here, but we missed. Anyway, not a problem. Market will give you opportunity the next day. So it has to give a 15 minutes genuine buy in Bank Nifty. 15 minutes genuine buy. Once you get 15 minute genuine buy, initiate a buy call with the stop loss of 15 minutes genuine sell. I'm talking only to my people, my subscribers. People those are already using your own system, kindly use your own system with the stop loss. That's all, nothing more to add. Let's see how the market is going to plan out from here on. And 13th, fingers crossed. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07 magical number.